Well, welcome to our next edition of Field Notes. I'm so excited today. We are here at the Center for Aquatic Biology and Aquaculture. Nan, thank you so much for taking the time to show me around and the amazing work that y'all are doing here.
Of course, we're happy to have you. We have a number of endangered and threatened fish species here that we'll be able to show you today, and we support a wide variety of researchers tackling all sorts of environmental issues that concern primarily aquatic species, but other things too.
That's fantastic. All right, let's go see it. Look at this. Yeah, so these are all white sturgeon. Look at that. They are just such amazing fish.
These fish, they hatched May 13th, so they're only a couple months old. And then you can see their little whiskers, those are their barbels. Those help for sensory.
Y'all have really just dialed in exactly what they need to thrive.
I'm gonna hop in and I am gonna wrangle one of the larger white sturgeons.
Oh, wow.
They go a little bit catatonic on their back, not always completely, but.
Wow. Look at that.
Yeah.
Tell me, what are your favorite things about these white sturgeon?
Well, the size is tough to top. There's not many fish you can handle or deal with that are this big.
So in here is mainly our lab space where we do a lot of our physiology experiments.
Hi there.
Today I'm working on staging embryos for a three-spined stickleback. So I have them basically in just little water dishes, and there's little tiny eggs in there, so you can see like very tiny. We're looking for them to develop eyes and heartbeats, so you can actually see there's one in there that's wiggling around, which means it's viable.
I see the eyes, yes.
Totally.
Yeah, that's amazing.
So these Delta smelt, they're critically endangered. They were once one of the most prominent forage fish species in the San Francisco estuary. But because they're so small, we don't really know a lot about sort of their natural movement behaviors. And so that makes, conserving or recovering the species from this decline really challenging. So we're trying to use this technology to fill those knowledge gaps, and our goal is always conservation of native fish like this.
Oh, wow. Oh, look. It's huge.
They're huge.
Wow,
Yeah.
awesome.
Green sturgeon would be primarily managed by National Marine Fisheries and NOAA, but these animals are listed, and the way that we have them here under culture is a partnership with the Yurok tribe in Northern California. They really value the fisheries research that we do and the fundamental research we do to answer difficult environmental questions.
And it's just amazing to see just how much care.
Yes.
And I know it takes a lot of hard work, but there is so much passion, so much care that goes into this work.
Yeah, we've done a lot of investments here on campus to both deliver more water, diversify the water sources that we have to deliver to fish, and to make sure that the fish are safe. We're very fortunate to have these endangered species, many species represented here, and that our partners have the trust to let us do that.
Well, thank you so much for showing me around today, and just such incredible work. And we're thinking about the future for these endangered species, but also the partnerships that y'all have, so many nonprofits and state agencies and tribal partners, and then the experience for our students to be able to learn. When I think about our land grant mission, this work is a fantastic example of that.
Happy to have you guys for a visit. You're welcome anytime. Sturgeon spawning season's right around the corner. If you want to jump in the tank, we can do that.
Awesome.
But we do thank you for all the support.